You're stuck. You've got a goal in mind, something you want to achieve. You know how to get there, but you don't know what the right first step is. For me, that's homemade pizza. I really want it, but I'm not going to get one unless I start moving. So today, we're going to make something versatile, easy to keep in the fridge for weeks. You can use it on pizza and pasta. Yes, you guessed it, we're making the sauce. We got minimal ingredients and gear, just need a stirring spoon and we can begin. Pour out a can of crushed tomatoes into a strainer so we can focus the flavor, not just concentrate it. That would be tomato paste. When it's thickened, you'll have half a cup of juice you can drink later. Pour the pulp into the bowl. Add your herbs, salt, pepper, and stir. And just like that, we got our sauce. Now I'm one step closer to making that pizza happen. So whatever big goal you had in mind, try to break it down. See what's one part of it that you can tackle today. And that'll get you the momentum to keep moving. Now, if you want to see where this pizza sauce goes next, subscribe or follow. Now, go feed your people.